Please pardon any noise coming from the background. My granddaughter is here and she's downstairs playing video games and she's pretty loud. I can hear her up here. I came up to my room so that I could be separate from the noise, but I still hear her. Anyway, this is an unboxing. Sorry about my voice. This is an unboxing from Scents Handcrafted. It's my first shipment from them. And this is their information, where to find them on Facebook and on Instagram. I hope you guys can hear me. All right, so again, very first time ordering from this place. They were having an awesome sale. As a matter of fact, let me see if there's an invoice in here. I didn't spend much because it was freaking on clearance or winter clearance. All right, so yes, here is the invoice, so I can tell you guys how much stuff costs. For I'm sorry, I can't because it's the discount was taken off at the end. But anyway, I got looks like $25 worth of product, and then I got $12.50 discount, so half off evidently. So let's take a look at the items. All right, the first thing is called Cashmere. Again, I've never tried this product. I just saw that they were having a sale. Oh, this smells so good. And I wanted to try something new. So that's what I did. This smells amazing, actually. I don't see that there is a pour date on these, at least on this one. So we'll keep looking. And then this is the one I had ordered a second ago. Again, no pour date that I can see. Oh, yo! I didn't even notice that this thing was in Newark, Delaware, which is literally 10-15 minutes outside my front door. Let me look at the package. Yes, okay. Anyway, so again, there's no date on here, but let me smell. It's a cute little bag. So this is what this one looks like. The scent is a kind of tart for me. I'm not a tart scent girl, but again, I was just ordering based on, this was a company that had stuff on clearance. This was scented in orange peel, cypress, and pine, and the orange peel is a bit strong on it, which is what's giving it that tart scent. But again, I never judge a melt until I put it in my warmer. Sometimes the scent can be different once it's nice and melted. All right, so that's that one. Here's the Caribbean teak wood. Oh, the smell of that one is everywhere. It's like they just poured a, excuse the noise. She's louder than I am, and she's on a different floor. It smells nice. It smells very soft, but now the scent of this other one is all over my hands and can't get it off. This next one was Pink Silk. Oh, I really like this one. It's a nice mixture of pink and like a creamy color, or pink and white. And then I ordered this little variety sample pack. I think I ordered the florals. Let me see what my invoice said. No, this was a custom one. So I asked for one of the Black Sea, one of the Clean Cotton, Magnolia and Peony, Plumeria, Lush Linen, and Jamaican Paradise. So that's what these are. I just wanted to try a bunch of different scents out. And then let's take the rest of this out here. We have Cactus Flower and Jade. This is, I think, a rose-shaped one. Nice little box to put it in. Come on, open up. Oh, it's kind of big too. I'm having struggles here. So that's what that looks like. I know you guys have seen this particular shade hundreds of times with all the other wax vendors that I use. Can't smell it through the packaging, so I'll be back. So this smells super nice. It's very florally and actually reminds me of something my mom used to have in the house. So I like that one. I think I have just a few more. Yes, well, just one more and then a sample, looks like. Sorry for this laryngitis. And this is Santa's Treats. Ooh, I see the orange peel again, so now I'm getting a little leery of this one. Orange peel, cream, and cinnamon. Let's see. So this one actually smells awesome. Really creamy and sweet versus the tartness that I got and still get from this one. It's super strong and super tart. All right. And then we have a sample of Raspberry Delight. All right, again, this was S Scents, SH handcrafted. And this is their card. And of course, the train's gonna make noise right now. And so this is what we got again. We got the Cashmere Wax Melt. Love the scent of that. The Caribbean Teakwood, another winner. We got this Santa's Treats. Smells amazing. And we got this floral cactus flower and jade, which is a rose. We got this sample pack, various scents that I got. They were basically floral and sort of like clean cotton type stuff. And this pink silk is another winner. We got the Raspberry Delight sample. And then finally we have this, what was it called? I'm sorry. Winter Wonderland. Very pretty though. I must say it's very pretty. It's probably going to melt really pretty. I don't know if these have any kind of shimmer in them. I'm trying to see. I do think that they do. I kind of see shimmery there. And I don't know anything about the Throw. Brand new to me company. No one even recommended them to me. I just happened to find them on Etsy. They were having a sale. But they are on Instagram, so I will be looking them up on Instagram as I use my tagging on their products. All right, guys, that's it for S Scents. And I will talk to you guys on the next one.